Welcome the our channel. Today we how to increase insurance options with Travelers, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your insurance options with Travelers, start by visiting the official Travelers website. Once on the home page, navigate to the insurance section. Here, you'll find various types of insurance products, including auto, home, and business insurance. Choose the specific type of insurance you are interested in to explore available options. After selecting a category, look for the Get a Quote button prominently displayed on the page. Click on this button to initiate the quote process. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information such as your name, address, and contact details. Carefully fill out all required fields to ensure accurate information is submitted. Next, provide specific details related to the type of insurance you are seeking. For auto insurance, include information about your vehicle, driving history, and coverage preferences. For home insurance, enter details about your property, including its size, age, and any security features. Once you have filled in all the necessary information, review your entries for accuracy. Then, submit your request for a quote. After submission, Travelers will generate your personalized insurance options. You may receive quotes via email or directly on the website. Once you have multiple options, take time to compare coverage, deductibles, and premiums. Consider contacting a Travelers agent for further clarification on any questions about the policies. Finally, select the policy that best fits your needs and proceed with the application process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.